Oi! That means cucumber in Korean, and today I'm making 오이무침. Oi means cucumber, and muchim is muchim. It's basically salad. Let's make cucumber salad, Korean style. I'm bored waiting for the water to boil, so let's juggle. The juggling is an optional step, but a step that's not optional is getting these cucumbers into some boiling water. You're going to place them in boiling water for 1 minute or under 1 minute. Just make sure it's not over 1 minute. You don't want to overcook it. I've done that before. After a minute, take them out, let them cool down, and then slice them up. How you slice these up is entirely up to you. You can slice it thinner than I'm doing it. You can even slice it thicker. Play around with it. Choose the sort of cut that you prefer. I've also seen people cut them in half and then go with halves as well. So just whatever you like. After that, we're going to put them in a bowl and we're going to add salt. Now don't worry, this isn't a salty cucumber salad. We're going to get rid of the salt later, but what we are going to do is soak it in with some water. So give it a good stir. The salt will just, the salt wash will help make our cucumbers that much more delicious. So don't skip this part, it's important. And you want to set that for at least 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, get rid of the water. So rinse them off under cold water as well. You don't want too salty sort of cucumbers. And then squeeze. Squeeze to get rid of all the water. You want all the water out of that as much as you possibly can. And give it a really good squeeze. If you want your cucumbers to look prettier, then squeeze less, but they'll be a little bit watery. And if you want them to really look like my ones, give them a really good squeeze. You'll get a better sort of content, and the taste is going to be slightly different. I prefer mine to be squeezed a lot. For your red pepper, you don't have to add as much as I just did, but what you do have to do is mix it first and then add the other ingredients. Otherwise, you'll get big clumps of red pepper stuck together. So you'll get a better consistency if you put your red pepper in before the other ingredients and then mix it. So look at mine, beautiful there. Look, lots, very saucy. I love my one saucy, but you can add less if you want. Sesame seeds, you don't have to add these, but I do think they add a lot to the dish. So throw those in there as well. And we're done. That's how easy it is. The best thing about this dish is it's easy to adjust it to your tastes. You like spicy? Then get some more of that red pepper in there, and if you don't, add less. If you prefer that beautiful green color that you would want, maybe a little bit like a lighter green, then just give them a little bit less of a squeeze, go for bigger pieces, and use a little bit less wet ingredients. So play around with it to get the consistency that you love. And for me, this is the one that I love. If you're interested in Korean cooking, then check out my channel where I post a new Korean cooking video every week. You can see a lot of recipes that I've been cooking for a long time. I've lived in Korea for nearly half my life now, as well as some newer recipes that I'm trying for, well, the first time, as well as a few experiments and playing around with the different flavors and ingredients of Korea. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day and 안녕히 계세요. Thanks for watching.